Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my slime videos. Today we are going to be making a zombie ice cream bowl of slime. So basically we're just going to be putting 3 different types of slime in like one bowl and basically like some shaving cream and some toppings on top. And it's just like a zombie like ice cream bowl, and the colors represent the zombie, kind of thing. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today. Stay tuned for this whole ASMR, and don't forget to check out my Instagram, my Musical.ly, and my YouTube, which is right here. So without further ado, basically, let's go on to the video. So basically, first what you're going to need is some glitter glue, so Elmer's glitter glue, then a bowl and a mixing tool. And for the activator, you will need Tide. Then some shaving cream. Let's get started. So first, we are going to pour the first glue bottle in there, in the bowl. Then, once we have it all in the bowl, we are ready to put the activator in. Then we will finally start mixing it. So now just keep kneading it until it's ready. Perfect, all done with the first one. Enjoy the ASMR. Now we are on to the second one. So now you're just going to pour that one in until it's done. So now we are going to activate it. Then mix. Then we are almost finished, we just have to knead it. Finally done, yay! Enjoy this ASMR. Now we are finally on to the last one. So now you are going to pour it in until it's all in there. Then, like again, pour the activator, mix, keep on mixing until it's done. Then you knead it, and knead it, and then wapow, it's finally done. It kind of looks weird, but whatever. Now we can finally start putting them in and getting ready for the ice cream bowl. So here's the first one that we made, and we're finally going to put that one on the side. Now we have that one there. Now the second one on the other side. Oops, they kind of got mixed a little bit. That's okay. And then, last but not least, the middle, the last one in the middle. And we just wait for it to settle. Then we're going to add some glitter. Then, for the whipped cream, it's the shaving cream. We're just going to keep adding that in until we have enough. Then we put some more glitter on top, and voila! There is our zombie ice cream bowl. Enjoy this ASMR! yeah, that was it. And that is how you make an ice cream zombie bowl. I think that was pretty cool. So I will link my Instagram, my Musical.ly, and all down in the bio. And yeah, I basically hope you guys, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you on making something like this. So yeah, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!